The master wound is the thing that happens in a second flat from your mother or your father. And it usually happens before the age of 3. And it comes in a moment on the physical plane, lodges in your system at the physical and energetic level. It exploits a part of your personality that needs to be exploited. And then you fixate on it, and then you project that wound over and over on everybody in your life. It holds within its encoding all the lessons that you need to cultivate your soul, which is why it's so important to get past should it happen, why did it happen, into it did happen. And at that point, you can start really changing your life.